Okay, so today we have Alpine WSG. This stuff has been like so good to me so far. We had to use this on one of our properties that was infested with roaches. You're gonna use per gallon, you need 30 grams. So we'll fill it halfway. So I went ahead and got half a gallon in here. And then when you take the lid off, inside you'll see, I don't know if you can see it, but you see the rings, 10, 20, and the top line 30. Go ahead and fill the 30 gram mark. So that's at the top mark, 30 grams. Pour that in. I'll have this in the description where you can get it. Go ahead and fill up the rest. Get your other half gallon in here. What we're gonna do, my spray went to crap. So when I went ahead and got this one, this sprayer will be in the description. Give you a little squirt back there. I like to spray this little entryway to my garage. So when you're inside, you want to spray all the perimeter around the baseboards, all the way around, all the wet areas, underneath the washer or dryer, underneath your dishwasher, underneath your stove, behind your stove, around the toilet areas. Anywhere it's wet areas, that's where roaches like to live. So just spray all perimeter, the whole perimeter of your house. You should be good to go. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.